good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever the location, wherever times is in your location. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing how to install apps that you can't install on your Play Store. How to install an Android app that you can't install on your Play Store. So firstly, the first thing you have to do now is to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then let's start. Open your Chrome, then you type apkpure.com. So it's as simple as that. Just make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more of these interesting videos. So give the Y to load and done. So then click on this search icon. Network. So sorry, it's taking time to load. My network is not good. So you type what you want to download. Let me just see. I want to download. Let me download Bing something. Bing. Search. So these are games. Which one can I download? Okay. This is a bonus for you to watch this video. Let me just click on this. Trust me, these games are real. They give you real Bitcoin, like real serious real Bitcoin. So you see, it's downloading. So that's just how it works. I have the application already, so I'll not be downloading it. So that is how it works. Download it and install it to your phone. Download and install it to your phone. So that's just how it works. Search for, go to your Chrome, click on, type apkpure.com, then you search for the app you want to download and download. That is how it works. It's as simple as that. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share these videos for others to benefit.